Hi guys, I just wanted to cover what we went over today for day 2 in the Google Classroom and virtual learning. So today was basically a lot of sharing on the students' end. So the first thing that we did after taking attendance was went around and shared what our favorite part of distance learning has been so far. And a lot of those answers ranged from being able to work from home and having a 30-minute break between classes, as well as being allowed to use Chromebooks when you normally wouldn't. So those were some of the things that students really enjoy about distance learning. The other thing that we went over was the assignments and the homework for tonight. So yesterday I had said that you would have to send me 2 pictures for a presentation, but due to the lack of pictures I received, I went ahead and extended that for another day. So if you look on Google Classroom, you'll see that the picture assignment is now due tomorrow. I also created that as an assignment. So when you click on that assignment, it says email or add them to this assignment, 2 to 3 pictures of people or things that are important to you. And then additionally, I added a comment saying that if you're still unable to do this today, just send me an email listing the people and things that are important to you and explain why. So if at the end of the day today you're still having problems uploading those pictures or sending them to me somehow, just go ahead and send me an email explaining what's important to you, because the purpose of this assignment really is just for me to get to know you as my students. So after this assignment, I went ahead and explained that the scavenger hunt was due today, that syllabus scavenger hunt. Most of the students turned it in, but if you haven't yet, that's fine. Just get that turned in so I can grade it for you. And as well as the scavenger hunt, I also added a handbook scavenger hunt. So if you come down here to your Start Here materials, you'll see the 2021 Student Handbook. In that handbook, when you open up the PDF, there's a lot of information that you're going to have to sort through. So what I would recommend doing is, instead of reading this entire handbook from start to finish, is I would look at the syllabus first, I would look at the scavenger hunt first, this handbook scavenger hunt right here. I would see what the questions are asking you, and then I would go back to that handbook and try to find those questions. Now the important part about this assignment is in the directions it says include the page in which you found your answer. So in addition to typing the answer to this question that says define rock, you would have to say rock is, answer that question, and then say page blank of the handbook is where you found it. So that's how we're going to be doing that assignment. So again, the scavenger hunt is here, and the handbook is down here. The page numbers are at the bottom of the PDF file, so you can see you're on page 2 of 16. And again, I don't expect you to read through the whole 16-page handbook. You can if you want to, but the assignment, I would just read through the questions and then find out what those questions are asking, and then just look for that answer. In addition to going over the picture assignment and this new scavenger hunt, I also went ahead and talked about the syllabus scavenger hunt that we did. A lot of you guys had, for this last question, what is one question that you have about information on the syllabus? I just went ahead and took some time answering those questions that you had. So if you missed the live session and you missed those answers to the questions, and you find that you are having questions that you need answers to, just go ahead and email me, and I'll answer those questions as best as I can. Again, if you don't remember my email address, you can come up here to my syllabus, open that, and I have my email address listed in 2 places. On the first page, it has the Contact Me section for my in-person syllabus, or on the remote instruction page in this yellow box, I also have my email address and other information so you can contact me. So again, that's what we covered today in class. I think so far the virtual learning has been going really well. I know it's not the same as if we were in person doing class, but we're going to do the best that we can to make this as normal of a school experience for the kids as possible. So just be respectful of everybody and just try your best every day, and that's all that we can do as students and as teachers. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow at 8:30 for first period and at 11:30 for 7th period. Bye!